Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is our iOS app development course lecture number 6 and our topic is collection of types. That was arrays, dictionaries and sets. We have talked about arrays in our previous lecture number 5 and today we will talk about dictionaries and sets. So let's get started. Before starting our today's lecture, I will give an overview of what we have learned previously. So we have learned arrays, that arrays were an order list type and the same value can be appeared in array multiple times. We have learned the definition, how to insert, remove and duplicate array items, how to replace array items. So we have discussed these things in detail. So today we will talk about dictionaries and sets. So what are dictionaries? Dictionaries are also data collections. A dictionary stores associations between keys of the same type and values of the same type in a collection with no defined ordering. Means that the order is not defined, that to place this item first and the second item on the second list, but you can place items unorderly. Plus in dictionaries the additional thing is the keys, that every item or every value should have a specific key that will identify that item. Each value is associated with a unique key, means the key is unique, that the key will be different for every item, which acts as an identifier for what that value within the dictionary. Unlike items in an array, items in a dictionary do not have a specified order. You use a dictionary when you need to look up values based on their identifier, in much the same way that a real-world dictionary is used to look up the definition for a particular word. That means that if you want to find a specific value, so you have the identifier as a key, so you will simply just enter that key and you will get the value. Just like our real world dictionaries, that if we want to search words starting from W and O, so we will look for this identifier W and O. This acts as a identifier, and simply just opening this page we will get the names related to that directly. We don't have to search the values. So this is an easy way with help of these dictionaries to search data or look for data, or to mutate a data. We can use this method very easily. So how can we create an empty dictionary? As with arrays, you can create an empty dictionary of a certain type by using initializer syntax. You have to initialize your dictionary. Simply write the name of your integer. You can write this integer to string. Names of integer is an empty integer string dictionary. What does that integer mean? This integer is the key, means the key should be an integer, and here you can write your item. So this integer will be your key and the string will be your item. So in this way you can create or initialize a dictionary. So the next is creating a dictionary with a dictionary literals, means you have to add the items with the keys. A dictionary literal is a shortened way to write one or more key values pairs as a dictionary collection, means that how many items that dictionary can contain more than one items create a collection of dictionary. A key value pair is a combination of a key and a value. This will be our key and this will be our value. In a dictionary literal, the key and value in each key value pair are separated by a colon, means this will specify that this thing is our key and this side is our value. The key value pairs are written as a list separated by commas. You will write the key values as these list, and you will separate one key value and its one key value from another key and value with help of this comma. The example below creates a dictionary to store the names of international airports, and these will be the keys of these international airports. This YYZ is the key for Toronto, right? And this DUB will be key for Dublin. So if you want to access this Toronto, you will simply enter this key and you will get the value stored on this key. Similarly, if you want to get the value on DUB, that on DUB which value is stored, you will write this and you will get this value very easily. And this var means that this is mutable. You can do changes, updation and remove deletion, etc. very easily. But if you put let over here, you cannot do any updation or deletion. As I explained, the airport dictionary is initialized with a dictionary literal containing two key value pairs. The first pair has a key of YYZ and the next has a key DUB, and it has two strings. This string is for key and this string is for value. Dictionary with only string keys and only string values. And so the assignment of the dictionary literal is permitted as a way to initialize the airport dictionary with two initial items, right? Now the next is, how can we add an item to a dictionary? Its syntax is same as we have learned in the array. You will have to write this subscript index. You can add just airport, means your dictionary name, LHR, this will be the key, and London, this will be value. So this item will be added in our dictionary, and this will be our third item, means on third item we have airport of London with a key value of LHR. This is the syntax that how you can add a item or a value in your dictionary. It is same as we did in our array. This is the assignment operator, and by writing the key in these square brackets, we initialize that this is LHR is the key, and writing the item in these double quotes indicates that this is our value. Now the next thing is how to update or replace an item in dictionary. We can easily do that with the help of this assignment operator. Just write airport LHR is equals to London Heathrow, but you have to specify that on which key value you are doing the updation. On LHR we are doing this updation, so we will update London from London Heathrow Airport, right? So this will be updated and our dictionary will be updated from London to this one. You can also do updation on any other key. You just have to specify the key over here, and the updation you are doing, you will write these in double quotes, right? So just like we have learned in arrays that how to insert or remove an item, similarly we can also do that in these dictionaries very easily. We can insert item by using the insert method, and we can remove item by using this remove item method, but we have to specify the key, that on which key we are removing the element or on which key we are inserting. So simply just write your array and your dictionary name and write your key in the square brackets, and then write the assignment operator, and in double brackets in double quotes, you write the value you want to insert or you write the value you want to delete. So this will do the same task as it did in arrays. So the syntax is same, just the concept of arrays and dictionaries are different, that arrays are order list and dictionaries are unordered list containing a key values. Key value is an additional thing in dictionaries. So the next and the last data collection is our sets. A set stores distinct values of the same type in a collection with no defined ordering. We can use a set instead of an array when the order of item is not important, or when you need to ensure that an item only appears once. Means that in sets the item doesn't repeat. Means if you write for example in the London example, if you in the airports example, if you have entered the London airport once, you are not able to write it twice. And in sets there is also no proper ordering, and all the values are distinct. Means all the values are unique. So when you are creating a unique list of items, you will use these sets. Rest the concepts of sets is similar to arrays, but in sets we have additional thing, that is distinction, or means that the values are unique. So you can also do deletion in sets. You can also do updation as well in sets, or you can also insert additional items in sets as well. So all these data collections are similar, but some are ordered, some are unordered, some are distant and some are not distant, and some contain key values and the other don't contain. So these are slight changes. You will choose your data collection according to your requirements. So that is it for today's lecture. If you have any questions regarding these sets, dictionaries or arrays, you can ask in the online lectures. Just do practice these codes and learn the basic difference between these three types.